I'm involving in the purification of used vegetable oils using principally two types of minerals. I'm happy to be part of this project because it will give me the opportunity to improve my skills in optimizing synthesis processes while minimizing waste. Probably the best experience I have ever had because it is allowing me to confront myself and a reality different from the one I experience every day in my city. A Marie Curie project gives you the opportunity to open your mind and grow both as a researcher and as a person.